This video is brought to you by Gunpla SA, South Africa's favorite place for Gunpla, related tools, supplies, resources, community and so much more. Check out gunplasa.com.
Hey guys!
Hey! How's it going, Bold Force?
It's Paul and Jeff from Gunpla SA and doing our crazy thing on the video, blah blah blah. So this is just like a quick special announcement video. We've got something really cool and new in stock for our big fans, or supporters. So the Bold Force gets to represent. Let's show them how, Jeff.
Oh yeah?
Bold Force Ninjas!
I'm what, Power Ranger Black.
Yeah,
Is this who
he's Jeff Licorice and I'm Cherry Paul.
Yeah, so we've got our first merch, our hoodies.
That's right, guys.
It's got the Keep Building Joy slogan. Yeah.
Just to remind you and everybody else to keep building joy. Also, just a heads up, the red one is 3 times warmer, so I've heard.
Or makes you go 3 times faster.
So we're excited about our first merch coming out, and we're really excited about seeing you guys in your merch. So what Jeff and I think would be super awesome if you guys can, so when you get your Bold Force merch, your Gunpla SA merch, you can either take a shot of yourself or a 2 or 3 second video saying keep building joy.
We would love to see them, whether it's on social media or even in our Discord.
Yeah. And maybe we might even put it in a video or something. And just have a cool shot of you with a Gunpla or something cool like that. And guys, if you are like, whoa, when did you guys get merch? I don't know about this. Where do I get your cool merch from? These are by order only. So if you guys want one, you do need to contact us directly. And you do need to be part of our Discord, which means that you've done a purchase with us.
This is just the first run. We want to check the quality of it, make sure it's on standard that we're happy with. But in future, we'll probably roll out with more hoodies and shirts and maybe even caps in future, or beanies,
underwear, sky's the limit, really. Bed sheets, whatever comes our way. But guys, so until then, enjoy your new Bold Force merch. I know I'm going to. I'm going to take it to the mall now.
Until next time, guys.
Remember to
keep building joy.
Now we put on the hoodies.
It's
getting weird.
One take.
Take one.
So it's the material on the inside feels good. Feels good. It's basically it's not the same material inside and out. Outside is smooth, inside is
the fluffy. Yeah, it's
feels like fleece.
Yeah, it is fleece. It is a sort of semi-fleece. Okay, so I'm gonna do it.
No, it's feels really comfortable.
We'll call ourselves Bold Force Ninjas or something. Okay, so then like that.